This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty's /Lake Country property video is presented by Lacie Groeninger. Luxury meets tranquility in this modern custom-built beauty in Reynolds Lake Oconee. A spacious, open floor plan of over 4,400 square feet provides the perfect backdrop to showcase this mid-century modern-styled home. Clean lines, stunning appointments and the many nature-inspired elements make this home a true work of art. Custom built by one of the area's renowned builders, this sophisticated yet inviting home is the perfect place to entertain guests, relax and enjoy all Lake Oconee and Reynolds has to offer. Craftsmanship and attention to detail are second to none, from the tiled wall in the foyer to the stunning, one-of-a-kind floating fireplace that will take your breath away. Numerous upgrades and high-end features include but not limited to custom cabinetry throughout, gorgeous quartz countertops and high-end tile, gourmet kitchen with walk-in pantry and custom shelving, multiple fireplaces, an all-season room garden area, stunning light fixtures and even a NEMA 14 to 50 electric vehicle charging outlet. This masterpiece of a property is centrally located. You are a quick drive to all Reynolds Lake Oconee amenities, including the new Richland Point. You can even walk across the golf course to eat or grab cocktails at one of the community's most popular spots, the National Tavern. Golf membership available. Don't miss your opportunity to own one of the finest homes available in the Lake Oconee area. For more information,